Hare Krishna. Trinadapi sunechena tarorapi sahishnuna namani namanadena kirtaniya sada hari. Every devotee desires to chant continuously, non-stop, the holy names of Krishna. And here's the formula which Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us. How can we chant the holy name incessantly without stopping? Kirtaniya sada hari. He tells us to do these 4 simple things. They are simple, though not easy, but we can try. By chanting the holy name of Krishna, we will get sufficiently purified. When we are purified, we will come to this level. What is the first thing? Trinadapi sunichena. Becoming humbler than even a blade of grass. You have seen a blade of grass. When you just walk over it, it just bends down. It doesn't retaliate. It doesn't tell you, why are you walking over me? Go and walk somewhere else. No, it doesn't retaliate. It just bends down. That's called humility. That's called humility. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling us we have to become more humble than the blade of grass. The next thing he says is Tarorapi sahishtuna. We have to become more tolerant than a tree. Let us see how tree is a tolerant, entity. The tree tolerates all the weathers, be it scorching sunlight, torrential rains, or extreme cold, just tolerates and still gives you shade, gives you protection. Just tolerates. When you cut the tree, humans, they cut the tree for different things. But tree doesn't retaliate, just tolerates, You cut down the tree completely, tree just tolerates. If you throw a stone at the tree, it will give you a fruit. So that is the level of tolerance tree has. Do we have such tolerance? If someone will cut our hand, will we say anything or just okay? No, it's impossible. It's very, very difficult for us because of conditioned stage. We have seen our acharyas. We see Srila Haridas Thakur, the Namacharya, always chants, non-stop he's chanting holy name. He was beaten in 22 marketplaces. Didn't say a word. Rather, when he was getting beaten up in first marketplace, immediately Sudarshan Chakra, Krishna sent Sudarshan Chakra to kill those 2 people who were troubling Haridas Thakur. But Haridas Thakur prayed, oh my Sudarshan, oh my dear Sudarshan, please forgive them. They are bound by the orders of their king. What can they do? Please forgive them. And Sudarshan can't do anything. The most powerful weapon can't do anything. Why? Because the devotee is so merciful, so much tolerant. Haridas Thakur tolerated always. That's why he's chanting always. Kirtaniya sada hari. Then third thing, amanina. We should never expect any respect from others. Now this is too much. This is too much. This is against the human nature. This is against the nature. Yes. This is against material nature, that when we are not looking for name and fame. Everything in the world we are doing so that we can have name, we can earn some respect. But here Mahaprabhu is saying, no, don't hanker. It's not saying respect will not come to you. Respect may come. Devotees are respected everywhere. But sometimes there are demons also. There are personalities like Ravana and Kamsa and Hiranyakashipu. They devotees. But one should not hanker for the respect. If it comes, it's okay. Doesn't come, it's okay. You are not affected. If someone gives you respect, gives you garland, okay. Doesn't give you garland, ignores you, okay. Hare Krishna. It's tough. It's tough. And then Manadena, he says you don't hanker for the respect, you don't expect the respect, and you have to give respect to others. First you don't expect, then you give. It takes some heart. It needs some purification. So when we chant Hare Krishna regularly, that gradually our heart will get purified. And we will come to this stage. It will take time, but we'll definitely come to this stage with sufficient purification. And then this will be applicable on us. Amanina manavina. We don't expect any respect, but we give respect to others. Then we will come to the level of Kirtaniya Sadahari, always chanting the holy name of the Lord. Now, if you see carefully, all these four things, Trinadapi Sunechena, Tarorapi Saishuna, Amanina Manadena, all these four are connected with mind also. It's the mind who doesn't allow you to tolerate. It's mind who's demanding too much of respect. It's mind who's not allowing us to respect others. It's mind who's not allowing us to be humble. Then there's a very thick friendship between mind and false ego. False ego has, made mind into friend, and they both are so tightly fixed up. So false ego will never allow that you give respect to others. And it will always demand respect. So it will come through mind. Why shall I tolerate? Yeah. You may do anything you want and you want me to tolerate? Why? This is false ego. Why shall I tolerate? This is false ego. And this is coming through mind. There is a mind. That is why when we chant Hare Krishna, the mind gets subdued, it gets purified. And we have to subdue the mind forcefully, kick him. We have to kick the mind, not listen to the mind. Then we'll come to the stage that we'll always chant Hare Krishna. So just ignore the mind, keep chanting, and definitely we'll reach to this stage of Kirtaniya Sadahari one day. Have that complete faith and determination in chanting the holy name. Hare Krishna. Shri Harinam Prabhu ki jai.